When writing blogs and articles, it's common to include images to make the content more engaging. However, many people make a common mistake. They don't add alt text to those images. Alt text is a brief description of what the image represents, and adding it significantly boosts your SEO. With alt text, your chances of ranking higher on search engines increase, and your images are more likely to appear in Google's image search results, which is a big advantage. The challenge comes when you have hundreds of articles with thousands of images. Writing alt text for each one can be time-consuming and exhausting. But don't worry, I have the perfect tool to help you manage this efficiently. So let's start the video. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins. Click on Add New Plugins. Search here for AI Image Alt Text Generator for WP. Install and activate the plugin. Now go to AltText Generator. You'll notice that your plan credit is at 0. To proceed, we'll need an API key. Let's explore how to get a free key. Click Get Started for free. Fill out the sign-up form completely. Then click on Create Account. You'll receive a verification link in your email inbox. Go to Email. Open Mail and click on Activate Account. Here you can see your API key. Click here to copy your API key. Return to your WordPress dashboard. Go to AI Alt Text Generator Settings. Then paste your API key here. Click on the Save button. Now click on Alt Text Generator. See, now you have 40 free credits available. Now we'll explore how to generate alt text for all images in bulk. You'll see the total number of images on your WordPress site and how many of them are currently missing alt text. Go to Bulk Image Alt Text Generator. Click on Generate Alt Text. All your image alt text will be generated in just a few seconds. Another important thing to note is that if you have many images, you can generate them in bulk. You can continue with other tasks or even shut down your device, and the process will automatically continue without wasting your time. Let's check if the bulk processing has been generated or not. See the alt text generated for all images. Let's introduce some more features available in the Settings section. Go to AI Alt Text Generator. Click on Settings. In the alt text language section, you can set multiple languages for the alt text. In addition, there are options to set the image title, image caption, and image description. When this option is enabled, the title, description, and caption of any image, along with the alt text, will be automatically generated. If you want to add keywords like your brand name to each image, you can use this option. And if you want to add a keyword at the beginning, enter it in the prefix section. Let me right here. Let's take a look at how it works. Upon clicking on Create Alt Text, Boomdevs was also written on the first due to the prefix Boomdevs I gave in the prefix field. Then, Automatic Alt Text Generation. When this option is enabled, the alt text for any image uploaded to WordPress will be automatically generated. Then the types of images for automatic alt text generation. From this section, you can select the types of images like JPG, PNG, and WebP that will have alt text automatically generated after uploading. In this way, you can easily add SEO-friendly alt text to your website. Install our plugin today and take advantage of the free offer. Add SEO-friendly alt text and save your time.